Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to fix MSI gaming monitor which keeps turning off. So here are few fixes for your sleep timer, eco mode and power issues. Fix 1. Check the power cable. Turn off the monitor. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to both the monitor and the wall outlet. If possible, try a different power outlet or power cable. Fix 2. Check the display cable. Ensure the HDMI display port or USB-C cable is securely connected. Disconnect and reconnect both ends. If available, try a different cable or another port on the monitor. Fix 3. Restart the monitor and the PC. Turn off the monitor and your computer. Unplug the monitor's power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn both devices on again. Fix 4. Disable power saving mode. Open the monitor's OSD menu. Go to settings, turn power saving, eco mode or auto standby off if available. Fix 5. Check your computer's power settings. Open settings, go to system and select power and battery. Click screen and sleep. Set the display sleep time to a long duration or never for testing. Fix 6. Update graphics drivers. Download and install the latest graphics driver for your NVIDIA, AMD or Intel graphics card. Then restart your computer. Fix 7. Lower the refresh rate. Open settings, go to system and then select display. Then go to advanced display. Select your MSI monitor, choose a lower refresh rate such as 120 Hz or 144 Hz and test the monitor. Fix 8. Reset the monitor. Open the monitor's OSD menu, go to settings, select factory reset or reset. Then confirm the reset. Fix 9. Test with another device. Connect the monitor to another PC, laptop, or gaming console. If the monitor works normally, the issue is likely with your original computer. If it still turns off, the monitor or its power supply may be the problem. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.